Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry in 1 hour. First, gather all your study materials, including notes, textbooks, and any practice problems. Next, quickly scan your material to identify the most challenging topics or concepts that require immediate attention. Finally, set a timer for 60 minutes and commit to focusing solely on your chosen chemistry topics for that entire duration. This structured approach will maximize your limited study time. Now, let's dive into active learning. Spend about 20 minutes actively recalling information. Quiz yourself on definitions, formulas, and reaction types without looking at your notes. Then, dedicate another 15 minutes to working through 1 or 2 example problems. Don't just read solutions, try to solve them yourself. Finally, spend 10 minutes explaining a difficult concept aloud, as if teaching someone else. This active engagement significantly boosts retention. With about 15 minutes remaining, it's time to condense. Create a very concise summary of the main ideas, key reactions, and essential formulas on a single sheet of paper. This process forces you to identify the absolute core information. Alternatively, use flashcards for rapid memorization of elements, compounds, or equations. Drawing simple diagrams or flowcharts can also help visualize complex processes, making them easier to understand and remember quickly. For the final 10 minutes, quickly review everything. Go over your summary notes and revisit any challenging areas you identified at the beginning. This rapid review helps solidify what you've learned. Importantly, identify any topics that still feel unclear and require further study beyond this 60-minute session. Plan a follow-up study session to delve deeper into those specific areas, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the material.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.